Zendesk Talk Telephony Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get customer service telephony wrong. They assume a phone line is all you need. The surprising truth about Zendesk Talk is that it's fully integrated with support tickets and CRM data, and you won't believe how it streamlines customer interactions across channels. Here's how it works. Zendesk Talk is a cloud-based call center solution built into Zendesk support platform. Calls, voicemails, and recordings automatically link to customer profiles, so agents have context without switching systems. For example, a retail support team can see a customer's order history while answering a call, reducing resolution time. Most people get this wrong. They assume agents need multiple tools, but Zendesk Talk centralizes communications in one platform. Additional features include IVR menus, call recording, analytics, and real-time dashboards. Users praise convenience, integration, and the ability to scale without complex infrastructure. However, there are considerations. International calling can be expensive, and advanced analytics may require additional subscriptions. Most people assume integration is plug-and-play. Proper setup is needed for optimal performance. In conclusion, Zendesk Talk is ideal for businesses wanting to improve phone-based customer service with integrated, data-driven solutions. Subscribe for more honest reviews of telephony and business tools.